wants it. I will say to him, you do that. But it's absolutely stupid to spend your time doing things you don't like. Forget the money.
Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here, and this is my 2020 Minimalist desk setup. Now starting from the main piece, let's first talk about the desk itself. Now this desk is a sit-stand electric desk from Evis, Malaysia. It has a really good quality as it can withstand up to a massive 120 kgs of load, and it has been instrumental in making my editing sessions very comfortable and smoother than before, since it is fully adjustable from a sitting position to a standing position from 660 to 1310 mm. Now since I spend half of my days editing videos, I switch between editing on the standing position, typically for my A-roll edits, and then I go to the sitting position when I'm editing my B-rolls based on a preset height. Now this is because there are 4 memory features for saving presets for the desk, where once the desired height is set, press and hold the M button or the memory button, and then pressing the number of the preset for your easier adjustments from standing position to sitting. Now another neat feature about the desk is the amazing cable management, which also comes with the option of a full power strip right underneath there, which was something that I really appreciated since I'm kind of an OCD when it comes to cable management, to keep the desk clutter free from wires across the table. And finally, my favorite feature is also the ability to charge my phone or even my earbuds wirelessly that is built into this desk, which a lot of sit-stand desks within this price range doesn't have. Now speaking of the price range, I will leave a link of this desk down below, and don't forget to use my discount code ADAMLOBO200 to get a 200 ringgit discount on the table, where it is available in many sizes and colors for you guys to choose from. And for me, this is one of the best decisions that I've made in a long run, as it is a very good investment indeed. Now going for the table, my chair of choice is the Ergo Human Executive Mesh Chair. Now this chair has been reliable throughout my 3 desk setups. It is still very comfortable, very ergonomic, and it has made my life easier in terms of being comfortable during my video editing sessions, and it also has made my life easier in terms of being comfortable during my video editing sessions, or even just chilling and watching some YouTube videos as well. Then my monitor of choice is the LG 38WK 85C 38-inch ultra-wide UHD monitor. Now I have been using this monitor for about 1.5 years, and it has really helped me in all my video editing needs, as the ultra-wide screen has been great to fit my entire video timeline when I'm editing my videos. Now as much as this is not a true 4K screen, this 3840 by 1600 UHD resolution is still way good enough for me to edit my videos, as again the screen real estate was the most important feature of the screen, and since having this 21:9 aspect ratio, I just can't go back to a 16:9 aspect ratio. Now I have done a dedicated video review of this monitor, so if you guys want to know more, I will leave a link at the description below. So since I'm a person who appreciates good sound quality, the moment the guys from TechX brought these speakers in Malaysia, I knew I had to get it, as it would perfectly fit within my desk setup, and this is the Audio Engine A5 Plus. Now I've always been a fan of Audio Engine speakers ever since when I reviewed and used the A2 Plus variant, which was also included in my previous desk setup. Now by all means, these are not monitor speakers, so I just use this to listen to music or watching videos more, as I just love how the mids and the low end sound comes out from this speaker, and it surely adds some nice flavor and color, if you will, into whatever I'm listening or even watching as well. And it is sitting on the DS2 speaker stands, which is also from Audio Engine, to elevate the speaker to a nice position towards my ears. Now just before I go into the rest of what's on my desk, I would like to thank this video sponsor, Wondershare Recoverit. So if you're like me who manage lots of files and storage options, I'm sure that you tend to accidentally delete some files. Well, here's where Wondershare Recoverit comes to the rescue, as it helps recover all your lost data with this all amazing and powerful software. Now the software interface is super simple. Where looking at the home screen of the software, you'll just need to select your hard drive or the external memory cards that you have, hit start, and it will scan all your previously deleted files. Then you can select them accordingly to recover them. So download Wondershare Recoverit now, which I'll put a link at the description below. Now looking at my peripherals, nothing has changed since my previous desk setup, as I'm still using the ever so reliable ASIO MK Mac wireless mechanical keyboard, which is not only wireless to keep the desk clutter free of wires, it has a mechanical tactile feel to the keys, and there's also a nice handy little fader to adjust the volume and also a mute button as well. Now I have been using this keyboard for close to 2 years now, and I have absolutely no complaints about it, where it rests on a black desk mat which I got it from IKEA. And by the way, this is Joaquin, my little blazing blizzard moth leopard gecko, and if you guys are still watching, comment and say hello to Joaquin. As for my mouse of choice, many tech YouTubers tends to use the Logitech MX Master. I did use the first generation, but I did not really like it, so I went back to the Magic Mouse 2, as I felt that it was a great hybrid between the trackpad and also a mouse, since it allows me to scroll on my video editing timeline easily. However, since I've been getting some major carpal tunnel issues on my forearm with excessive editing, I've just ordered the Logitech MX Master 3 instead, since there are some improvements and features for this particular version, so stay tuned down below at the description on how my experience are using the mouse. Now, contrary to popular belief, I don't hate Apple, as I have been using a Mac for my main machine for more than 15 years now, and this current laptop is the 15-inch late 2017 MacBook Pro, which is on the Iconix E-Din adjustable stand, where I'm rocking the closed laptop setup to have a cleaner overall space on the table, where I've routed all the charging cables and the audio cables to the extension for my USB-C hub, which are velcroed underneath the table as well. Now, in terms of the MacBook Pro specs, I will leave all the info down below, but in 2020, it's not the fastest out there, especially since I work with 6K resolution files. So my usual workflow is that I usually convert my Blackmagic RAW files to Apple ProRes to edit on Final Cut Pro 10, which is my preferred video editing software, or NLE. It still gets the job done without any issues, but the rendering times are quite time consuming. So yes, among all the things on my desk, I am looking to upgrade this really soon, and I'm thinking of either the 16-inch MacBook Pro or the iMac Pro. So do me a favor guys and give me your opinion based on my current setup at the comment section below, will ya? Then looking at the complementary pieces on my desk, I have the Amazon Echo Show 5 on the left side of the keyboard, which I also got from the great guys from TechX, which are also linked down below, as they are selling this the cheapest here in Malaysia. And I have the Google Home Hub on my right, where I mainly use the Google Home for everyday tasks and reminders and scheduling. While the Amazon Echo Show does the same, I decided to only make sure that I only use smart home commands like turning on or off my desk light strips at the back or my Adam Lobo TV logo lights, as it is connected to a smart plug. Now, speaking of the desk light strip, I am using the Xiaomi LED light strip, which is not only really affordable but also at the same time really reliable as well. And yes, that huge Adam Lobo TV logo is a custom made light box, which I got it made for not only to give a bit character to my setup but also as a backdrop for my YouTube videos. So just before I go further, I would like to once again thank the video sponsor Wondershare Recoverit, where once again, if you are like me who manages lots of files and storage options and to happen to accidentally delete your files, Recoverit comes to the rescue, as it helps to recover all your lost data in this amazing and powerful software. Now, the software interface is super simple. Where looking at the home screen of the software, you'll just need to select your hard drive or the external memory cards that you have, hit start, and it will scan all your previously deleted files, where you can select them accordingly to recover them. So download Wondershare Recoverit now, which I'll leave a link at the description below. So there you have it guys, my 2020 minimalist desk setup. Depending on my mood, I will occasionally use my setup for a night or even a bright mode. So yes, if you guys have any questions about anything about this desk setup, do let me know at the comment section below. And of course, all the items included in this desk will be also linked down below, together with the promo code ADAMLOBO200 for the Evis Malaysia sit stand desk. And just for you guys to see, I'll also link my previous desk setup at the end of this video, so stay tuned until the end. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.